So we're going to start by assembling this internal framework, because once this is done, it gives us something to go off, and all of our pieces will attach to this. And luckily for me, someone's already started this curve section. It just needs finishing off. With a hefty blathering of PVA glue and some pins, the pins should hold it all together while the glue goes off. Right, that's one of the white frames from the drawing done. Just a straight one to do now. But there's so many different components, there isn't actually a workbench left, so I'll make it work. Found myself the edge of a bench just to get this framework made up. Again, glue and pin. Glue's going to be doing all the work here, but once all the panels have been attached, it's not going to be going anywhere. And with the internal framework done, that gives us a good starting point.